kimikoARTS. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute Starbucks coffee cup. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
So to start out with, we are going to draw the top of the mug. So for the top, we're just going to be drawing a line going across and then two lines going down with the same length, and we're going to draw another line going across. Then we're going to draw a little section like this, and then another little section underneath. Once you have that done, you're going to draw the actual cup. So for that, we might want to draw a line down the middle, and that's going to help us get each side around the same size. So we're going to draw two lines going down that are tapering in a little. And then we're going to draw a curved shape at the bottom. Then we are going to draw two more curved shape lines going across and a circle in the middle, which is where the Starbucks logo goes. For the logo, you are going to draw a circle, which is going to be the face, and then some curved lines going down, which is going to be the hair of the Starbucks lady. Once you're all done that, you can add two heart-shaped eyes and a little smile. After that, you can add a crown, and then two arms going up the sides. And then you can add the eyes, which are going to be two circles. You can make them as big or as little as you want. And then you can add two irises inside with two little circles on them to help the light look like it's reflecting off the eyes. And you can add two little eyebrows and a cute little mouth. Now, if you would like to take your coffee cup to the next level, you can add things like arms, which would be just like a curved line, and you can add like a little mitten shape on the end, and then another curved line with a mitten shape at the end as well. And then you might also want to add a little bit of steam coming up from the mouth hole. Now comes the time when we are going to outline our drawing. So I'm going to use my Sharpie marker, and I'm just going to start outlining all of my shapes.
Now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines to reveal an exceptionally cute Starbucks coffee cup. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayons, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your Starbucks coffee cup look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it, an adorable Starbucks coffee cup. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.